Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we're checking out how you can pair your controllers with your headset. Maybe you've had to get a new controller or for some reason they've disconnected, which has happened to me in the past, and you need to repair them. You're going to want to go into the mobile app. This is what you should see or something similar to it. In the bottom right corner, click on the headset icon. You can make sure that your headset is turned on, and then you can click on it there. You're going to want to scroll down here to headset settings. And you're going to want to go to controllers, that second one there. And here you can see we have our two controllers there. Maybe you don't have that, maybe you have just the one. You're going to want to hit pair new controller. Here you can select the type of controller that you are pairing. I'm just going to repair my right controller here. It's going to prompt me to hold down the meta button and the B button for about 4 seconds. You'll feel it vibrate a couple of times when it is ready to go. And then you can see right controller paired, hit continue, pairing complete, can now put on the headset, and you might just need to restart the headset to officially get them going again. You can do the same thing with your left controller, but it's just going to be the menu button and the Y button, but the same process there. So that's how you can pair your new controllers or your controllers if they happen to disconnect. Thank you for watching this, and we'll see you next time here on True North VR.